Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to make a very easy and a quick lunchbox recipe on a weekday morning. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make an easy, quick, dry kala-channa stir-fry and a special dry spice mix to add flavor to this kala-channa stir-fry. So let's get started with the process of making this recipe. I have soaked 1 cup of kala-channa overnight and now I'm draining the soaked water and rinse it couple of times, and then I'm going to be adding it into the pressure cooker and pressure cook it for around 5 to 6 whistles on a medium flame. While the kala-channa or the black chickpeas is getting pressure cooked, I am kneading in the atta or the wheat flour for making rotis. Now to make the dry spice mix, I am dry roasting 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, then 3 tablespoons of roasted chana dal for about 10 seconds on medium flame, then 4 tablespoons of shredded coconut until it's lightly brown, and then 4 dry red chilies until it's lightly darkened, and then I will cool them off on a white plate like this and then finely blend it. I removed the stems of the dry red chilies before adding into the blender. Now after 15 minutes of resting the dough and kneading it couple more times, I started making the yummy rotis. Rotis are ready, and now the perfectly pressure cooked kala-channa is also ready. As you can see, it easily gets mashed up. Now I'm taking 1 medium sized tomato and I'm cutting it into a quarter and placing it into a microwave safe bowl in some water and microwave it for around 3 minutes. I removed this peel of the steamed tomato and then I roughly smashed the pulp of the steamed tomato and I added it into the cooked chickpeas. Finally, add in some shredded coconut and mix it well. Now as you can see, yummy rotis are ready and very tasty, easy, quick, dry kala-channa stir-fry is ready to be eaten with these steamy hot rotis in your lunch. Do try this easy, quick lunchbox recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.